Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto live stream. I have almost no time to stream here because we are busy with a couple of very, very big trades right now, if you are wondering. However, I did want to get the news to you guys as soon as possible. I also have, let me show you guys here, my um, my account, which we have talked about a couple of times before. On there, you can see my XP trade if you guys want. I have another account open here right now. I'm trading XRP as it currently stands because apparently over on Twitter, people are going crazy right now about an apparent Coinbase new relisting. People are faking it, maybe, I don't really know. But the XRP price right now is pumping so crazy much. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's going up like 10% this hour just now. Over on Bybit, you can see it's right now at $1.22 again. And I told you guys I am doing the biggest trade of XRP in my life, and I hit it. So I have literally had the most amount of money made in a day that I've ever made today. I am a little bit confused. I don't know exactly what to say. I don't know exactly what to tell you. I'm at a loss for words. Let's put it like that. I have never made this much money in my life on one single trade. And it was a funny bet. Because I was telling you guys for the last couple of days, I'm just putting so much money on Bybit. and it freaking worked. Holy smokes. Guys, is this faith? Is this some higher being? So, wow. Once more, I'm a little bit confused here. I'm very confused. You guys are saying Coinbase is not realist. I'm not sure, guys. This is being rumored right now. It can, of course, be fake. But what exactly caused this big pump? Is it something like this along these lines? It's freaking up to 11, 12% in the hour. I still think, guys, that even buying in right now wouldn't be too crazy. Not financial advice. Because people are just now getting this news. But I think that this is the turnaround of the market, guys. I think some crazy pumps are about to happen. What if we get a settlement right now? I'm not sure exactly. Maybe it has to do with what Jeremy Hogan posted, that the SEC just admitted it. We can check if whales are buying, guys. We can check that out. I was in bed. I was about to go to bed. Guys, make sure you press the like button right now, all right? This is one of the most bullish days we've ever seen. Make sure you press the like button right now as we speak, because this might be a crazy day. And right now, it's about 4 a.m., right? I was in bed. I was almost sleeping. And then somebody commented under my video, it's pumping. And I'm right back in here, in my seat. All right, guys, make sure you press the like button. Please help me out, all right? I need some motivation to sit here because I literally, I don't know even how to talk. As I've said before, I have one trade on here, but it's not that crazy. It's in $3,500 worth of profit, but we've seen that before. It's not that crazy. It's the trade that I just pulled. Wow, guys, I am at a loss for words. This pump is the most fun thing I've ever seen, and the craziest part is I don't even want to scream. Usually when I get a good trade in, I'm all hyped up. I guess I've reached my peak, guys. The fact that I'm not screaming right now and not going outside right now naked is the fact that I've peaked in life, I guess. Wow, what a crazy story. But let's see how this continues on though, guys. Because, well, we just had such a huge flash pump, basically. It can't last that long, right? Usually these fall down a little bit before continuing harder to pump. So until about 10 minutes ago, we were pumping to the freaking core. We hit about $1.24 point something. And fun fact, I was actually streaming at the time while this was happening, but none of you guys were saying it in the chat box. I was streaming at the time, like until right around here, and we didn't even notice. I guess because sometimes these things happen when you're just doing your stuff. The switch has been flipped, you guys are saying. What's the title about? Well, that's the news that's going around right now that's going really trendy. But people are saying not legit. You could always deposit, but they're saying no, it's a new pair over on Coinbase. Maybe it's fake, maybe completely fake. It could really be. I'm trying to figure it out, but I haven't had time. As I said before, guys, I've been trading. But I went to stream so you guys can actually be in the same chat box here. Some of you guys are saying check out Jeremy Hogan. We already did check out Jeremy. And he basically put up here that the SEC has, quote unquote, lost, so to speak, because it's been officially admitted. But this was 5 hours ago. So is this because America woke up? No. Is this because Asia woke up? No. That would be, I guess maybe Asia woke up now to the Jeremy Hogan news. That could be it. But that also sounds odd. So how can we check this Coinbase? Let me see Coinbase Pro. Let me type it in. Coinbase Pro Relisting. I don't know though, guys. I think it's fake, to be honest with you. Let's see. Because how could this guy know then that it's getting relisted? I would gladly change the title, by the way. It's not clickbait. You guys, please, don't hit me with that stuff. This is literally what I've just found. And we're trying to figure out if it's real or not. People are calling out BS. I get that very much so. It is a Is this? Nah, it's a Telegram bot, though. I don't know. How can we find out? Is it fake? Might have been. It might really be fake. But why is the price pumping up so much then? Maybe the guy actually saw the pump and then decided. Because this started 40 minutes ago. This was 40 minutes ago. It's about 21. It could also be that this. No, let's see on the minute. Let's see on the minute. Because he posted this 24. So he posted this 124 basically. He posted this 2 minutes after the pump began. This is very peculiar, guys. Very peculiar. First of all, that's pretty fast to be there if you're trying to. What just happened? Let's try to figure it out together. So I saw this about an hour ago. Next Tuesday, the SEC Chair Gary Gensler will be testifying in front of the Senate Banking Committee. Call to action. Every XP holder, please commit to tweeting 20 times a day to Senate Banking Committee members about the SEC overreach and ask them to question Gary Gensler firstly. But that's not it, though. Let's see, guys. What's going on here? What in the world is going on? Clickbait Dusty, please change the title. If we find out what's going on, I'll change it. No worries. I can change it even now. But that's literally the news that I saw it on my phone. I was like, hey, maybe Coinbase. I see that as the first thing. People calling clickbait are freaking guys. Don't let me get angry now. I got excited too. I've literally just told you. I got spammed. I'm checking it out. I see the price pump 10% in an hour. I see this going trending right now. I go live. I don't, as I said. Okay, let me see. I'll change the title to XRP is pumping like crazy. What's going on? Question mark. And then within brackets, Coinbase relisting rumor. I'll put it like that, all right, guys, to make sure you guys are all satisfied. XRP. I'll change the title a little bit. Crazy pump. Is it rumor? Do you spell rumor with O-U or only a U? Rumor. I don't even know. Or is that English and American English the difference? Coinbase. Okay, I'm out of my trade on one. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm fixing my trade here. All right. All right, I'm also in a little chat box with a couple of my people here because, as I've said before, I have XRP trades open. Why am I not showing it? Well, because I have a YouTube account, which is just my usual account basically, and I have my own personal. But I've had this discussion a couple of times with you guys before. Y'all said don't show your personal stuff. Don't make it. I'm not doing that. Some YouTubers do. They like it. Not me though. I don't. I would rather just keep some things behind closed doors. I find this fine. But you guys know about it though. I've literally explained it to you guys. I said before, I have deposited the most amount of money I've ever done onto one exchange. I opened an XRP long. I was going crazy on it because I believed in the process. And as I've said before, I've never made as much money as I have in a day as today. So a little fun fact. Did you guys actually trade XRP? Are you guys doing good? Did you trade anything? Give me an update. Give me an update, guys. And where are you gonna watch it from? Right now for me it's 4 a.m. I'm at a loss for words today, guys. I'm so completely confused. Let me see what you guys are saying over in Discord as well. People are also saying relisted. So what's going on? I'll type it in to see if somebody knows it here as well. People are saying breakout. No, it's not a breakout. It's not a normal breakout. It doesn't happen like this. Jed McCallum foamed back in. What if Jed McCallum knew this was going to happen and that's why he didn't sell any crypto, huh? Let's see. Quite the opposite. Okay, let's look for some whales, guys. Let's look for some XRP whales. I can check it for you. My back is hurting me as well. Holy smokes. No, 20 hours ago, we just got 8 minutes ago, 13 minutes. I mean, BitThumb is Korea. I guess maybe Asia woke up just now. Is that it? No, that ain't it, right? A lot of whales are moving money though, guys. Yeah. Maybe you'll find one of my. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. Are we seeing this? Are you guys seeing this with me? Wait a minute, guys. Are you seeing this with me, or am I stupid in my face? Is this? Oh no, never mind. Okay, so I got hyped for a little second. Let's see here if we find anything. There's a huge amount of whales moving money over the last 40 minutes, huh? Let's see. Bro, it's Coinbase Pro. They put XP to USD back on Coinbase Pro. Just can't purchase yet. For real. So it's not a joke then. Coinbase Pro. How the frick can we see that though? So, but I believe Coinbase Pro had XP on there all the time though, right? Because I mean, we actually read that like a day ago. We were looking into the Coinbase ordeal, and it was basically said you could deposit and withdraw XRP anyway. It was about the trading that mattered. Coinbase Pro right now is down for me, by the way. It's not working. It's really glitchy. How is Coinbase Pro looking for you guys? Or it's just very slow to open it up. Can also be. Okay, let me see here. Can I type in how the frick does Coinbase Pro work? I hate Coinbase Pro. Okay, so where do I go? Just go to the exchange, I guess. Let's see. I do have to sign in. Maybe if I press get started. Oh, I'm gonna check out. Let's see exactly how this is happening. I'm monitoring like freaking 7 tabs on the right here as well while I'm streaming here. Why? Because I wanted to stream for you guys to show you all what's happening, but I'm also trading, which is pretty stupid. So not recommended, by the way. While also chatting with some people to make sure that the trades are all good. That we're on the same predicament. Yes. Okay. So that's maybe why I'm a little bit more quiet than usual. I'm trying to check a couple of things at the same time. Holy smokes, though, guys. Look at that. That is immaculate. That is crazy. All right, and once more, if you guys are wondering, what I'm using to trade on is Bybit. A link is down below. I'm going to plug you guys up. I'll make sure that you guys can win up to 100,000 XRP. Might sound crazy, but that's the competition we're going to be running, I think. I'm not sure if it's going to be 100,000 XRP, but I do think it's going to get somewhere close to it. So if you're in the US, unfortunately, I have no solution for you. If you're in the rest of the world, Bybit. I'll put a link down there. Markets? You guys saying markets? I'll show you. Please stop saying 10% up for XP is a huge pump. Kevin, everybody got their own opinion. I think 10% in 1 hour is a huge pump. You do you, my friend. I think it's a huge pump. But that's also the fun part about, I guess, the crypto thing. People think that just because crypto moves this much, that, you know, all of a sudden, like 10% in a day or 10% in a couple of hours is not a lot of money or not a lot of process. It's huge. It's just because people are used to in the crypto realm 40%, 70% pumps nowadays. 10% in 1 hour is a huge move. That doesn't happen just straight out of the blue here. Specifically not in a market like this, where people were so uncertain. And fear and greed index was really low. Look at this, guys. XP was one of the best performers. If you look this button, it's not going to show it because obviously some coins that shitty go plus like tens of thousands of percent. Sometimes. Can this load in? Oh, it's just not loading either. Yeah, but that's because there's a lot of shit coins in the midst. That's a problem in that sense. Out of the top list, though, I think that XP is definitely one of the best performers right now. I think. Let's see what you guys are saying. 3 a.m. here in London. Woke up to notification going crazy. If Coinbase de-released, it would have been over $5 instantly. 50-50, my friend. Because, first of all, no, it wouldn't go up to $5. It would most likely have kind of a similar pattern like this because people don't believe it at first. So it would only go up that crazy. By the way, we're bouncing back from about $1.19. I guess we can theoretically try again to long again. If I had the balls here, I would go even a crazier trade. That depends on what exactly is the cause of this major craziness going on right now. Even if it's Coinbase, again, if they didn't confirm it, but people know it, inside. This is basically like insider trading, if you guys get it, because people might now have the info before others have it, and that's again why. Because look at the volume here. Look at the difference over the minutes. There was no volume all day long. Nothing happening. Nothing at all. Until that point, all of a sudden, a huge inflow of money. Nobody knows exactly why. Okay, you say click on prices. I'm going back to Coinbase Pro. Click on prices in Coinbase Pro website, okay? Because I'm not logged in. I'm not sure if I can see things. I should be able to see things on there. It would be dumb if you can't. But I never use Coinbase Pro. I've only used it, I think, 3 times in my life, which has been years ago. And by the way, I have mint tea. Why? I thought, you know what? I already brushed my teeth just now. What can I still have? I was like, I could do water. Then I was like, I guess mint tea water is still okay, right? Because, I mean, if you're in nature, in the jungle, whatever, little herbs in your freaking water wouldn't be too bad, I think. Okay, my Coinbase Pro is really not giving me a good time here. I'm not enjoying this experience. By the way, I can open this up as well. It's a little bit clunky, I think, with everything I had open from before. Let me see what we have. Yeah, we just seen a huge XP breakout. Let's actually go to the more clearer chart for XRP. I believe it's this one. And there we go. That's the XP breakout. Let's move to the same chart everywhere here. There we go. And there we go for XRP once more. Yeah, what a peculiar situation, huh? Look at that. Nice little bounce on the XP4 fund, though, again, with the trend line. That's actually kind of interesting, too. Are you guys saying it's just a normal bounce? It's just due, basically? I mean, it could be. I don't think so. I think this is too much of a pump all of a sudden. It's too big for 1 hour. Throughout the entire day, yeah, fair. But for 1 hour, I don't really buy that stuff, to be honest with you. I don't really buy it. It's peculiar, though. Let me see on Coinbase Pro, like you guys are saying. Go to prices, and then... This is taking a long-ass time. Okay. Let's see. Did XRP get added back into this list? Okay, XRP is in the list. It's not tradable. Was this not in the list before? I'm not sure, to be honest with you guys. You guys need to confirm for me in the chat box here what the truth is behind that. Yeah, like Cushimem says, Coinbase or not, the SEC admitted that they didn't tell anyone XP was a security before the lawsuit. That's huge. As I said before on one of the live streams, that's literally the biggest piece of news this entire lawsuit has given us. If Ripple loses this one, I believe in corruption then. Like right now, it's still debatable, right? If you tell me it's corrupt, I might say, it could be. If Ripple loses this lawsuit, I might go on the freaking streets with a sign. I've never done that in my life. I'm never planning to do so, but I might go, right? I'll fly over to the U.S., meet a couple of you guys, and we'll go protest or something like that, because that is the biggest BS in the freaking world. So from that perspective, just buying more XRP is kind of my go-to solution right now. But damn, that is crazy. Let me see what you guys are saying. On normal Coinbase, it was always there, but on Coinbase Pro, they just added the pairs again. Okay, so that is the big change then, huh? They've just added XRP back. It says here that XRP is not supported by Coinbase, though, but since they put it back on the website, then maybe? Very, very, very peculiar. Dan is my man here. Dan says, it's real. Download the app and search it. You can see the pairs there. Oh, little swing right there. You can see the pairs they just put up. You can't purchase yet, but it looks like they're about to relist. Guys, please confirm what Dan is saying. If you go to your Coinbase Pro app, which I don't have because I don't use Coinbase, check if the pair... Wait a minute. Mark says, XP pair not showing up on my app or site. Christian says, who? I'm in the US. Guys, please all check your Coinbase Pro app. Let's confirm this. If you guys want, I can go download it. Oh, Aditya says I can confirm Dan. Aditya says it's confirmed the pairs are added on Coinbase Pro app. Okay. XP on my Coinbase Pro portfolio is gone. That's very peculiar, Christopher. Jose says, I'm the Hughes. I don't see the pair. Chandler says, Dan is correct. Okay, you guys, if you're looking at this right now, please add your country there. Okay, Buddies and Spirits says Dan is correct. Please add your country so I know what we're talking about, because maybe nobody here is in the United States. We have to know this. We have to be factual with this. We have to be a little bit more accurate. Dylan says, hey, Dusty. What's up, my friend? Okay, you're in the United States. So in the United States now, you have your pairs back on Coinbase Pro. The XBDUSD pair is there, just no activity. So what this man was saying was not a lie then. So people calling me out for clickbaiting just now, I wasn't completely lying. I mean, US Coinbase and still delisted. No, we're talking about Coinbase Pro. There's a difference between the two. It's the same company, but it's a difference. And you have to look potentially in the Coinbase Pro app to see the pairs. I can go check here, but I don't know. Normally there's an exchange, which let me type it in here. Okay, Coinbase Pro, because how come I can't see it? Is it buy and sell? No, I have to log in, really? I have to make another account to log in? Because I don't remember all that stuff. I don't use Coinbase, as I said before. Let's see. How can I... Coinbase Pro chart. Let me see if I can find out that way. I think I can, right? I must be able to. You can't make me log in to see the chart. You can't. I think we're going to be good. Okay, you know what? Guys, I'm going to do what's called a pro gamer move, all right? So, you can't see it, but at the top right, I'm going to show it to you guys. Give me a freaking second, all right? I need to make sure that everything loads in. I'm going to do a pro gamer move right here. It's about 500 IQ, all right? So, as you can see there at the top, I'm going to change this to XRP USD. See what happens. Right, this might have just been a 500 IQ move, might be a 0 IQ move. We'll see in just a second. We just changed the link. Let's see what happens. It's taking its sweet ass time, that's for sure. Or is this what happens when it can't find it? We should also test this with what happens if I type in, you know, for example, XBB, you know, as something that doesn't exist. Okay, so conclusion, this doesn't do anything. Okay, let's copy this one. Let's try again. Let's try something else. Okay, let's try, for example, XRP. GGR. Let's see what happens then. Or does it just not load anything? Because again, guys, I have no idea what we're doing. I'm just trying some stuff out to see if we can find anything on the web app like this. Oh, okay. Not sure exactly what that did. Okay. Hey guys, by the way, if you're watching this video right now, please guys, make sure you press the like button. I see that somebody donated $2. I can't see the donation though. At least I haven't seen it. So I'm very sorry if I missed it. Okay, so if you type in something that doesn't exist, it goes back to BTC. On the XRP pair, though, it's still stuck. Dan says, yeah, all pairs now being shown on Coinbase Pro. So, let me see again what you guys are saying. Who tweeted? Let's see here. Willbot. Guys, maybe we did it. Can you guys confirm for me once more? Because maybe my computer is just really, really bad. XBDUSD, when I typed that in, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't load. When we typed in XRP, it basically put us back into Bitcoin. Is that a coincidence? Or was this our 500 IQ move? Let's try it again. XRP BBC. Let's see what happens. We'll give it some time. You know, let it rest a little bit. Let it sit. It goes right back to Bitcoin. Okay, let's see XRP again. Let me refresh. Let's try it again. Because maybe it's just lagging, this website, for some reason. It can definitely be so this lagging. You need the app? It's about the idea, guys. It's about what's going on. We want to see. This is peculiar, though, for you guys in the chat box, that some people say it's showing up for me and some people say it's not. So what we have now in terms of info is if you go to your app, wait, now somebody says it's not showing for me on the Coinbase Pro app now. Guys, keep refreshing. Because what it looks like to me is that on Coinbase Pro, the XBDUSD pair has been relisted, but a soft launch to some degree. Because when we type this in, and you guys need to confirm with me here, that if you type in XBDUSD, the pair is not showing up. If you type in anything that doesn't exist all the way through, it just brings you right back to the Bitcoin one. Let's actually see if we select market, if we type in XRP. Oh, Coinbase Pro is just lagging like a little sissy as well. Let's type in XRP. Let's see what happens then. Is my computer this laggy or is it this website? So there's no markets matching my search, huh? Very peculiar, because why does it not then reflect me back? Let me duplicate it once more. I need to test it with some more certainty. I need to try it out once more. And guys, little side note, if you're watching this right now and you haven't pressed that like button just quite yet, guys, please help out the channel, all right? We have about 1,000 people watching. We have about 250 likes. But I personally think we can get to at least like 500 likes. We've got like 5,000 people that pressed the stream on by now, which is one of my crazier streams in a very long while. Then again, guys, make sure you press that button just to help out the channel a little bit. Let's get to 500 likes right now, all right? I think the site is just super slow, but my computer is also not having the best time. It's having a little bit of a hard time keeping up because I have about 7,000 tabs open. I have about 7,000 charts on the left open as well, because once more, I was doing trading when this was happening. Coinbase Pro has not let go of any statements whatsoever. This, however, is very peculiar. Very peculiar to say the least. Let's actually tweet it out as well, huh? Why not? So I'll copy the link. Let's see. So, I'll put some. I have freaking receipts there. So, is like, what can I say here? So, XRP relisted in Coinbase Pro app with some pairs. Let's do it in a questiony way. Adnan says, bro, can you talk something productive? I need to go see my girlfriend for a quick, okay. Not sure exactly what to tell you right there. We're checking stuff out, my friend. I don't know what else to tell you in terms of productiveness, because it's kind of a battle here to fix exactly whether or not XP just got a Coinbase scare or something else. It just shot down. Let's see, XLM is also pumping like a wow, look at that. XLM is also pumping like a maniac today. I have the LA charts open once more. Let me see. Let's go back to my own here. Well, that's crazy. This started pumping at 315 though, like 318. This one started pumping a little bit before XRP did, or no? Wow, my computer's so laggy. Holy smokes. Let's see this. Let's see this. You were live at the right time for some excitement. I actually started live a little bit late, I guess, because I was going live when things were already kind of calming down. Because I was actually live when this pump was happening, but I didn't notice it, so I ended my live stream. I went to bed and then I saw it. Now I guess it started pumping at around the same time, XRP and XLM. Kind of the same time, but why though? Did Bitcoin do the same thing? I mean, it pumped, but not that severely. Polkadot? No, not at all. Very peculiar. Does it have something to do with Jed McCallum that we're not noticing? No, you guys keep saying XP pairs on Coinbase Pro not tradable yet. So okay, so it's really the coin. It's most likely that then there's a very high chance it's just people got excited for Coinbase's new launch. I think. Shout out to Double Bubble. Not such pump, XP coming back down. Well, it's still a pretty significant pump. Because, as I said before, you don't really see this too often within 1 hour. This is so interesting, though, that you guys are giving such contradictory information. Some people say no XP pairs on Coinbase. Some people are saying yes, it is there. Some people say no, yes, no. I believe, because I believe you guys when you say that it is on there, but I also believe that some people don't see it. It might be kind of the slow launch right now that it's kind of getting in there, if you guys get the drift. Let's see here. Is Buddy in a live stream instead on Flick? Oh, yeah. Go do what you need to do, my friend. You don't have to keep watching. Check your reply from John's on your Twitter, Dusty. Who's John's? Okay, I'll check it out. Let's check it out here. Which one? Okay. Okay, I'll retweet this. Oh, John S. Okay, perfect. While I would love for XP to be back, this is from the Whalebot Telegram channel. It looks like Coinbase API issue. It's reposting all the pairs. The obvious questions, however, is why did the API find it? Guys, when checking the normal Coinbase Pro trading pairs on the site, if you type in an incorrect, it redirects you to BTC. I'm just typing in like that because I can't confirm. For me, it doesn't redirect, but it could also be that I'm just lagging the frick out. I need to confirm that. Very interesting. I pressed the wrong one. Example. This is also, you guys can test it out for yourself. XRP. XRP Dusty BC. Yeah. Nice boy. Well, probably. I cannot type, but I'm trying to talk as well. Whatever. Send you back to the BTC pair. Nice ASMR typing, huh? There we go. By the way, people will not recognize this, what I've written down here as a key fact. But you guys at least are witnessing this. Right now, there's 1,000 people that have seen me check this out live right now, which is really acknowledging to me. And I'm also trying to read everything you guys are saying, because a lot of people are saying no pairs on there. A lot of people say it does show. A lot of people say it doesn't show. I have no freaking clue. I don't have Coinbase Pro, the app. All I know is that the website is doing really vague when trying to look at the XRP on there. Usually it should redirect if you type in something funny, which we've seen now. Okay, look at Twitter comments. Let me see. This is about some, isn't it? Wait a minute. Let's see here. This is about 1 minute ago. In light of the SEC's action against Ripple, trading has been suspended as of January. XP is the crypto used by Ripple payment network, built for enterprise use. XP aims to be fast, cost-efficient crypto for cross-border payments. He's just Oh, so this. No, what is this supposed to mean? Is this the Coinbase Pro app, which is showing that XRP is in the wallet then? Because I don't know if it was in the wallet before, guys. I don't use this app. Let's see it here. Okay, so this person here, now I know, checked his... Somebody deleted their stuff. Just checked mine and it's there. Go into the Coinbase Pro app, I think, and then type it in the XP. There we go. Proof is in the pudding. Okay, very peculiar. So, anybody who called me out for clickbait, there you go, my friend. Please never do that again. Please, it's, by the way, it's 4:30 a.m., which is why I keep prompting you guys to press that like button. I could be right now, sleep. I could be right, nice and resting, all right? But I'm here, talking to you. Could it be TA? Could it be? Hypothetically speaking, yes. Is it logical? I don't think so. Isn't it too coincidental that the price now pumps up like crazy just after an API potential glitch or a potential relisting of Coinbase Pro? From a certain perspective, you might say API glitch, right? Isn't that the freaking dumbest thing in the world? Why would the API glitch XRP pairs back in? Isn't that so strange? That's... Oh, sorry, guys. Our Coinbase Pro app all of a sudden thought XP should be turned on. So accident. That's the dumbest accident in the world. Tweet deleted. Yeah, who cares about what tweet it was, right? Let's see what you guys are writing to me then over on Twitter. Let's see if we find anything new. Yeah, I mean, theoretically speaking, it could be that they're anticipating some sort of relisting, so some sort of a settlement in the Ripple part. Even though I've said before, Coinbase trades will be on the globe shortly. I have, this is from a long time ago. This is saying, this is basically the last trade, maybe? Timestamp was wrong. Okay, so this is just showing an order, potentially. So any coders out there, can you see on the Coinbase forefront, there's like an order placed. Coinbase trades will be on the globe shortly. Guys, once more, anybody who's longing XRP right now, I personally don't think it's the stupidest idea. Because worst case, it's going to fall a little bit of percent, but best case, XRP is going to skyrocket because of a Coinbase relisting, and we're going to make some fat freaking money. Not even lying to you. It's not the craziest idea in the world. Because the risk reward here is definitely not too bad. Once more, it might not work out because, again, this might all be just a joke. Not a joke. It might just be a rumor, even though it is vague on the Coinbase forefront. It might just be a glitch. And then Coinbase says, apology, XP was not supposed to be on there. Could be. Even then, people keep speculating. But we're not going to find out until either Coinbase lets go a statement or whatever. So once more, guys, don't be certain that this is the best idea. It's just like, there's potential. There's potential. Let's see what you guys are writing down. Very peculiar. Very peculiar. XP price literally pumped and got sucked back out of it. You know what's actually more funny than everything, guys? You know that there's people out here manipulating the market. You know how I can know that now for a fact? If you don't believe me, guys, go pull something out of your buttocks. Why? Look at this. The API, that Whale uses here, pulls it nearly instantly. The speed at which this pulls the data is most likely seconds. It's most likely not minutes. This was tweeted 3:24 a.m. We can check the Telegram, but most likely, if we check back here, this was posted, let's see exactly when. This was posted, okay, no, actually there was an API thing at the first minute. I don't know, he didn't post XRP on there for some reason. That's peculiar. So I'd have to open up the Telegram itself. Let's actually do that though. Let's quickly check out the Telegram itself. Ah, 205,000. Holy smokes, there's a lot of people. Let's open it up. I have to open up a Telegram preview channel. There we go. Is this what I want? I'm not sure if this is the perfect one because I don't see any XRP stuff being set in there. Maybe it's about an hour ago though, right? Let's see. A bit to XRP. A bit. There's a transfer. This is 343. An XRP transfer. I don't know why exactly he tried to put that in as a whale. Let's see. So about 320 or so. Yeah, this is 324, right? Very peculiar. Literally on the basis that this API most likely pulls the data nearly instantly. Yet the price started to pump a couple of minutes prior to that. Because look at this, guys. This is 322. This is 321, but basically 322 is when the price started to pump. Yet the news came out 324. Isn't it really interesting how then some people knew this the exact moment when it happened then, or maybe even a couple minutes prior to it? Very, very interesting this stuff is. So either they're manipulating it in some way, shape, or form, or fake. What could it be? It's so freaking strange, man. It is listed on Robinhood, but only for financial data. I don't think that was it, my friend. It's not a conspiracy theory if they conspire. Insider trading bought, then XP dumped or pumped. I mean, it could be a lot of different things right now, guys. It really is an open story. So many crypto commentators on YouTube are pumping XRP. I think a lot of these guys are getting into XRP because the risk to reward is just so good. So the risk is basically that like the crypto market just stops pumping. The reward in the sense is that XRP has a big lawsuit going on where it's just a higher chance that they'd win. So yeah, why? I don't know why a lot of people are against XRP for some unapparent reason. However, this could just be a classic little pump and dump situation trying to steal you from your money where they, how can this be, man? This is so strange. Coinbase relisting glitch potentially. It is a fact that Coinbase is acting weird on the XRP pair. That's just fact. But the entire question is it real? Is it an anticipation? Are we early to this news? Or is it just a fake out? Is it just something we got completely unlucky for seeing it in this manner? Ross Reynolds says, I managed to put a 20 times leverage before the pump. Will we go higher? Oh, my friend, you are, wow. That is nice, my friend. That is nice. Very nice. Right now, our trade is still in about $3,000 profit. By the way, there was actually a couple of times here where I made money on my trade because of the funding rate. A little fun side fact. And once more, guys, I am maybe, because tomorrow I'm having a really special day. As I've said before, for all of you guys that do not know, I have had today the best day in my entire life. I have been on this earth for so many years, and I have never made as much profit with anything in my life that I've ever done as I have today trading XRP. It's a fun fact, but that's because I had, as I've said before, deposited the most amount of money I have ever done in my life over onto Bybit, which is, again, a little bit of an announcement I made purely because I was going to kind of announce something crazy, but I didn't have to do that just quite yet, because when I opened my long position yesterday morning or the day before in the evening, I don't remember exactly, I did not expect this to happen, to be completely honest with you. So I am still lost for words. I already closed my position at the $1.23 mark, about 40%, and then a little bit later, I think at about 120. I told you guys when I was streaming here, I said I'm out of my position now. That's when I closed another part of it. And theoretically speaking, we can now try opening it back up, for example, at $1.19 or so, or something like that. You can still see I have this trade in there as well. Somebody again says, just got clickbaited. I want to sometimes punch my freaking screen to oblivion. Sometimes I think, man, I should just take my freaking fist, destroy the monitor, and do something crazy. And Rosano says, thanks. The thing is, man, the risk to reward ratio is looking good. However, I got a little bit scared because, as I've said before, when you see sometimes the profit, you just got to sometimes take it. You know what I mean? So I trade pretty often, which you guys most likely know by now. But there's a difference between trading for a long term where I just have a long position open like this one, where I'm just basically, I don't care if we go to, and it gets liquidated. I don't care if we go to the top. I'll just keep it open. But sometimes I open one really quickly to try and make a good buck and then be out. And that's because there's just differences in this sort of trade that you want to do. And in this specific regard here, it worked out nicely, which is why tomorrow we're going to have a really special celebration. Might share a couple of cool things over on Instagram, might not. I don't know, I'm gonna have a small party. Even though this is not the craziest move for a lot of you guys, if you're trading with some leverage, this is definitely something that you're not gonna forget. So I'm not gonna sleep tonight. Maybe, I don't know. My freaking hands are shaking a little bit again. As I said before, it's not about the money in this case. It's about the process, man. I swear to you, there's a higher power somewhere. Because I opened the trade yesterday somewhere, and all of a sudden the day after, I get such a huge pump on a leveraged trade of mine. Where's the luck? Right? I literally have been spamming you guys crazy with the fact that I'm depositing the most amount of money ever to open XRP longs. And then I get this the day afterwards. I don't know if it was a settlement or a real Coinbase listing. I guess then I really am going to convert myself to become a full freaking theist, just fully focused on something like that. Right now we're still in the neutral zone. But god diggly damn, this is crazy. Thomas Conservative coming in with the $5 saying XRP or 80% of my portfolio is XP, not ashamed. Honestly, right now, I wouldn't be ashamed either. And Frank, can you check if that guy is actually just promoting a crypto, that token guy? Because I see one coin being promoted a lot. Can you check it out? If you're still there, Frank. I just saw you stop by. Buddy says, wonder if it was a push to get its spot back from Solana. Oh, that's some heavy thinking right there, my friend. It's funny, I already recorded the video like yesterday somewhere that I wanted to upload now, but I'm going to have to kind of push things forward a little bit. Damn. I went to Coinbase Pro and XP is not there. Rob, some people are finding it, some people are not finding it. I'm not exactly sure. Mick says, Dusty, check this. Let us see. Let us see what Mick has, what I'm missing. Let's see the notifications over on Twitter too. Yeah, they might just be preparing for a relisting. That's also not a crazy idea, not a crazy thought. Dusty, get some sleep. I ain't getting no sleep today, my friend. No. Sometimes we have to cross a couple of barriers. And even though I have a couple of meetings tomorrow, we're gonna celebrate tomorrow. All right, you guys seeing RSI bottoming, looking good to upside? I guess yeah, maybe the theory isn't that crazy. That, by the way, that XP was just due for another move like that. We can actually put in the RSI if you guys want. Mick, I'm still waiting for your comment, man. He said, check this out, and then he didn't say anything anymore. No, RSI is not bottoming out at all. You're distracted? You said, Dusty, check this. I said yes, and then no, you're distracted. What do you mean, check this, my friend? Ooh, okay, let's actually put up this expectation. Let's put up the poll here. Will XRP be higher? Okay, XRP price prediction 6 hours. Pump more, dumpy, dump. Let's see what you guys are thinking on that one. So right now, the poll here is basically, do you think that the XRP price will be up or down in about 6 hours from now? What do you guys think? And once more, guys, the reason I always keep talking about Bybit is because through them and through that little process, I've already given away, how much is it, guys? Like 15,000 XRP. But I think next week somewhere, I can't announce another like 100,000 XRP giveaway. And that's also why I keep talking about them like crazy, because literally it's the best value for all my followers, which is what I chose, right? I've been talking with Binance, talking about every one of those guys. They don't give away that much money to the people. So all the people that use my link, and that's because I'm the only person on the entire platform that does campaigns in XRP. It basically is like a campaign that we can do. But I think I'm gonna request that they give away 100,000 XRP, and I hope they say yes. I don't know, but maybe, right? Who knows? Let's try. But the more people we have, the more money that's given away, like always. Like, that's how the world freaking works, man. Dusty, need a selling strategy? Oh, damn, my friend. Selling is not that difficult. It's the buying that's difficult. Because about selling, you don't really need to think too much, right? You need money, you can sell some. You don't need money, you don't have to sell some. You need to invest in something else, you might sell some, depending on where your best yield is going to be. You want to safeguard things, you sell some. You don't want to be safe, you don't sell some. It's as simple as that. Now, of course, it actually is a lot more elaborate than that. But the premise, no, the idea behind selling always comes back to, why would you do it? Do you think something better is going to happen if you do sell? Guys, we're falling back down a little bit. Maybe double bottom here. This is a 1 minute chart, though. It doesn't really matter. Somebody says, has it always been available in Coinbase UK? That's a question I have as well. I'm not. Did something change on Coinbase Pro, or was it always there? Wait a minute. Mick says, Dusty, go Coinbase Pro, then your API, then read upcoming effects coming on September 9th. Mick, I'm going to copy your comment. I don't have Coinbase Pro on my telephone. I'm going to have to make an entire account and stuff like that. It would take me too long. Let's see here. So Mick says, I'll put it up open for you guys here so you guys can all see it. Why is my computer so freaking laggy, guys? What's going on? I don't know why it is, but I can't do anything about it, because I'm not going to stop the stream right now to just reset things a little bit. Mick says exactly this. Dusty, go to Coinbase Pro, then API, then read upcoming effects coming 9th of September. Maybe part of the glitch, he says. No, on computer. Okay. Okay, I'll check it out. Let me type it in on the sidelines here. Coinbase Pro chart. Let's see here. Our Coinbase. Let's go to. Okay, you guys. Okay. Let me see again. Coinbase Pro, then API. Okay. But Coinbase is so laggy, man. And by the way, I'm just typing in what he's trying to do here. He says go to Coinbase. Okay. Coinbase Pro. There we go. I'm at Coinbase Pro. I press the exchange. Now I have to look for API. Let's see here. It's really slow for me, guys. I'm so sorry if it's taking too much of your time. I'm trying to figure it out. And this, I think the XP to USD pair is not loading still. It's not going to load, I don't think. Okay, I go to API. And then I look at upcoming changes. 8, 9. There's no change. Oh, it said. Okay, he's saying check this out right here. Very peculiar. Very peculiar. I'm not sure exactly what to say about it. It says update. The production feature has released is postponed. The changes will take effect in production starting September 9th. So they'll make some changes to the full aggregated order book. What the production? What in the world is the production feature? You guys saying the lawsuit is the catalyst? I mean, it could be. The lawsuit is definitely one of the biggest parts for right now. So, I mean, you have a point there. The news that we covered in the previous live stream a couple of hours ago, which is basically that what Jeremy Hogan said, right? That we've almost so. Let's see. So there's I'll type it in so you guys can all notice. Sometimes you guys don't get it when I keep shouting out. So there's a 50-50 chance this pump was caused by Jeremy conclusion of the SEC's negligence and 50% Coinbase Pro re-adding pairs. And I sometimes put them down like this so actually people that don't want to watch the entire like 1 hour or 5 hour or whatever live stream can still kind of conclude. I guess there's also a small part that is just TA, right? But that doesn't make any sense. You're going to pump like this all of a sudden. Let's see what you guys are saying. I'm the only one right now who can't see XRP on wallet right now. It just disappeared. Buddies and says, I'm out for the night. Good night, my friend. Congratulations to your achievement. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very, very much. I wish you the best. Wish you the best of nights. Hope you have a good one. XRP is missing from your Coinbase. Okay, let's see. Reported XRP missing on a lot of people's Coinbase accounts. Let's see what people respond to this one. Bankroll says, yo, I got the absolute top. Sometimes you get it that way, my friend. Sometimes you do. Let us see what's going to happen, though, guys. But for right now, it's a 50-50 on whether or not something really happened or not. Sometimes it's FOMO that kicks into more FOMO, that kicks into more FOMO. Still, though, we got the price from about a week ago, not even. Rumored. Once more. Some people are going to shout at me for this one. Rumored. That was what the rumor was at the time. This is about an hour ago. Now that we've investigated, it is a fact that Coinbase Pro's app is showing XRP pairs on there. Let's actually conclude that on Twitter as well. It's a fact that some, because I think it's some Coinbase Pro accounts are showing new XRP pairs. Now all of a sudden. Could still be a glitch though, because that's obviously the case. It can be a glitch, it can be something else. It's really hard to say. By the way, guys, if you're watching this right now still, make sure you guys press that like button. Once more, we've had about, I don't know how many, let's quickly see. We've had about 13,000 people come say hi in the chat box here. We've only had about 500 likes. Not a problem, but let's get to at least 750, because we usually don't get this many people in. So it would be cool if we get to 1,000 likes today. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but at least to 750 would definitely be possible. So again, I keep reading what you guys are saying. Some people say it's missing. Some people say, even if it's a dumpy dump, it just got me 130 XRP. Yeah, I mean, we're still at lower prices than we were a couple of days ago, so it's really not that bad, to be honest with you. This is also proven a point, I guess, to some people. Joshua says, in my Coinbase wallet, I see when I click on transaction history, it says sent Ripple, whereas before it would have said sent XRP. You sure about that? I've never heard that before either. Very interesting. Very interesting. XP was delisted in the UK at the same time US delisted on Coinbase. Okay. Let's see what else. Looks like a pump and dump move more and more. It kind of does, to be honest with you. Kind of looks like a little bit like that. But I guess this is, again, what a Coinbase announcement does, huh, by the way. But guys, if you haven't pressed it yet, make sure you press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Once more, you don't have to, but it helps out the channel a little bit. And as I've said before, I think that through that process, you're showing more and more people the world of crypto, which ultimately is, I think, a very nice gesture. Wow. This feels like a little bit of a... This is so strange, though. So, by the way, Bitcoin showing negativity in this chart. Telegram bot, let's see what this is saying, if there's anything about XRP coming up. Let's see if there's any whales who came in just now, because there's a ton of whale activity over the last couple of minutes here. Let's see if we refresh. What amount of greed, huh? DustBC streaming all night. Look at this. 40 minutes. I'm telling you guys, maybe it's all Korea. A lot of activity over on BitThumb. A lot of activity over on there. Maybe it's Korea that's doing some of this stuff. See, Huobi and Korea most active. ZB. Okay, so ZB, Huobi, and BitThumb. Most amount will XP transfers in last couple of hours. Maybe Asia just woke up and decided XRP was king. I mean, literally, it could be that they just now got the news from Jeremy Hogan that XRP is really almost literally going to win this lawsuit because of what we've concluded now. That again, like if I go back a little bit, that the SEC basically admitted that they never gave... I mean, this was known already, but the SEC never admitted it themselves. Ripple admitted it for them. But now that they've admitted it themselves, it might become a really big issue. Oh, bro, I just posted on your tweet, it says sent Ripple. I mean, my friend, I'm looking at so many different things in the same freaking time here. Somebody says since a long time. Let's see. Didn't price glitch yesterday too? Funny. Remember, guys, yesterday we had a coin market cap glitched yesterday. Potentially Coinbase XRP glitch. Very peculiar this. So what happened yesterday was basically, by the way, you most likely hate when I'm typing it because I type like a freaking dumbass. That's because I have the most obnoxious keyboard in front of me, but it's next to the MacBook normal keyboard. And I have to choose, am I going to write easily on the MacBook but then extend my arms, or write on this really crackety ass closed keyboard that's going to make a lot of sound, but it's, you know, better for the back. And I choose the really annoying keyboard. So really peculiar how yesterday CoinMarketCap is having a lot of issues. Wait a minute, Coinbase just relisted XP. Go to LPL app to get some now. Oh, wait a minute, that's the promotion stunt. What in the world is Elipo wallet? What is that supposed to be? Oh, these guys send me so many freaking emails to come promote their thing. I never reply to those guys. This is false. It's 50-50. It's you guys are saying all lies. It's not. It's unconfirmed news. Let's put it like that. Okay, let's see this, guys. The Twitter crypto listing bot page retracted their statement. Let us see. Let us see if it's gone. So it was from about 3-something, 3:21, 24. Okay, so then it was there. Let's duplicate this and see if it's actually been deleted. 3:24. I'll refresh. I mean, it still shows it's there. It still is getting more views as well. Let's see this tweet and see if this tweet has been deleted. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so that has been deleted though, guys. The initial tweet that brought all of this into light, the Will bot, whom still has it in their Telegram, which is one of the most trending Telegrams ever, and most likely has cost, look at that, a big amount of attention to their entire Telegram. If you just check the numbers, they most likely added so many new subscribers to it, so it's a very good marketing thing for them. That's a side note. By the way, guys, if you're not subscribed just quite yet, make sure you press the subscribe button. Again, as I've said before, guys, I went out of my bed right now, right as we speak, right, like an hour ago, while I was almost sleeping, just to provide you guys with some extra content. So even though there could have been some even crazier stuff, in the end of things, I tried my best to give you guys all the info. We're trying to find out this stuff and dig as much as we can. It's interesting, though, that has been deleted. Where can one stake XRP? Natively, never. No, nowhere. You can, however, use I personally use bitrue. A link is down below for that one if you want. If you want to support the DustDBC. But yeah, all I'm asking is, if you enjoy these XRP updates, you should subscribe to the channel. That's all I'm saying. Did we see any indication of whales moving XRP with that little flash crash? Oh, yesterday? Not any big whales for that matter. I guess maybe this one. No, not really though. No. We did see a big transfer of XRP 2 days ago to Coinbase, but it's mostly just freaking Asia right now, pumping up XRP, going crazy right now with the transfers. Mostly Asia right now, mostly Asia. Because Huobi, Bithumb, and ZB are all mostly used in Asia. And that's what the last transfers have been about here all along. Miles says, this man got out of bed to notify us. You the real MVP. Mind you very much so, guys, that right now it is 5 a.m. for me. All right? I have to get up at 8 a.m. for a meeting. I'm going to cancel the meeting. I'm gonna cancel it and schedule it at 11 a.m. or something like that. Can you fathom what I've just decided to do? But again, once more, it was one of the most profitable trades of my life, so don't mind. Don't get me wrong. But still, what a day this has been, though, guys. Holy smokes. Make sure you guys check out Bybit. Going to be a couple hundred. I'm hoping it's going to be a 100,000 XP competition or in some specific way, a giveaway soon. I hope. But the more people we have, the more money we're going to give away. Not my decision, so I can't decide how much it's going to be, but I'm going to request as much XP as possible. So I'm hoping it's going to be a 100,000 XP giveaway. Make sure you're part, if you want to, by joining Bybit. That's all I'm saying. You don't have to once more. Maybe it's not your thing, but it's what I do. That's where we're trading. That's what it worked for me. Wow. I'm just looking through everything on my phone here to see what you guys have been writing. It's been going crazy, guys. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Look at that. Everybody on Twitter is also going nutty here. Some people are saying, So, okay. So the whale guy retracted the statement. So should we also tweet that out then, just to make sure that people are getting this? Okay. So Martin says XP was relisted in Japan on Rakuten exchange on the 8th of September. Rakuten is the the whale statement. Some sources, let's put it like that. retracted their XRP relisting state. Well, wait, I just got an email. Hello, boss. Hello, I'm the business manager of an internet company in the UK. Our main business area is value-added services for crypto. Bitcoin is also a crypto. We are doing Tron TRX. Nice. I don't know exactly what to say about that. Nice email. Thank you very much. All right. Some sources retract the XP relisting statement. Because even though they retracted it here, it's still in their Telegram, though. Maybe because it's getting them the most amount of attention they've ever gotten, so they think it's a smart idea to keep it there. Let's see it once more. 324. It's still there. Okay, let's retweet. Let's refresh. What's the big deal? XP isn't moving. Have you actually checked the XP price just now and checked what happened? It went 10% in like a couple of minutes, really, really quickly. And we thought it might have something to do with this right here. It's still on there. It's gonna be fun for people that were not here at the start of the stream, that are watching out thinking, huh, what happened? All I know is if this news is real or if something here has really been missed. Hey, look at that bounce on XP on the 200 EMA on a 1 minute chart, by the way. Peculiar. What a crazy, some people say practice pump, yeah. What do we do now, though, guys? I'm lost a little bit. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know if it was because let's see this. All right. So this is, by the way, if you're wondering what I'm showing right now, this is the XRP. Call. This is what it's showing me right now on the Coinbase Pro. I have no idea what this error is supposed to be. So copy that. Coinbase is Pro error. It would be amazing if all of a sudden I get the freaking never gonna give you up when I'm trying to look at this. Oh, that would be amazing. Let's see the Coinbase status here. Let's see if we can find anything in that regard. They're not showcasing any issue with XRP. But they're also not showing any plans for that matter. Very strange. Let us see if we get, okay, so the XRP network is operational though on Coinbase as well. So it's not as if it was laggy or doing some strange stuff and you couldn't withdraw, you couldn't deposit, then XRP network would have also changed the status on here, I think, though, right? But they're saying that the XRP network is just fully operational, doing good, 100%, I guess just doing proper. However, the XRP pair here is showing a glitch. Let's open that again. Let's see what happens now. Let's see how long it takes before we get to that point. Because maybe it's going quicker now. It takes us back to BTC. So things have really changed, guys. At first, once more, XRP was just it loaded and we got this error. The whatever number error right there. Right now, it just sends us back to BTC. So we can conclude now that the shenanigans is over to some degree. Guys, can you quickly check in the Coinbase Pro app if you can still find XRP pairs in there? And by the way, guys, once more, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you sub to the channel. We do this digging almost every single day if we have the time. But again, it's 5 a.m., so I always have time. By the way, I have a life. People sometimes say, "Do you ever sleep?" I don't actually spend too much time on XRP. There's actually I have things to do in a day. I go out every single day, do stuff. If you're wondering, it's not as if my life is XRP. It's just I like to talk about it though. Jonathan says, "What are them?" Oh, wait. Christopher Lee is not there anymore. We can't anymore. Never could. The pair's disappeared. Pair is gone on CB Pro app. The portfolio is back. Okay, let's include that on Twitter. The XRP Coinbase Pro saga is over, guys. The website redirects to BTC again. XRP pairs cannot be found in app anymore. What else was there? XRP showing up